Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do third time's a charm with our spelling words. This is a review of all of our digraphs that we've been learning. So the first one is going to be the word chip. Pop up the sounds in chip. Chip. So let's write it. CH makes ch, and then ip, chip. CHIP. So we're going to write that 2 more times. Chip. And then one last time. There we go. And remember, I know that I talk fast, so if you need to push pause and stop to finish a word, I totally understand. So our next word is shop. Pop up the sounds for shop. 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 So let's try and write it. Shop. Good. S-H-O-P. Shop. Good. The next word is going to have the digraph at the end. The word is cash. C-A-S-H. Cash. Good, and we're going to write it one more time. Cash. Nice job. Our next word for number 4 is thank. Can you pop up the sounds in the word thank? It's T-H-A-N-K. Thank. T-H-A-N-K. And then we're going to write it one more time. Thank. Very good. The next word, number 5, is kind of a tricky word. It's tenth. Has quite a few letters in it, so we're going to need to write small. So let's sound it out. N. Like that. Has 10, and then with a th at the end. 10. Very good. One more time. T-E-N-T-H. Tenth. Good. Okay. Now we're going to go to number 6. Number 6 is the word witch. Not like a witch at Halloween, but like which one do you like better? So we have the digraph. W-H, and then an I, and then we have another digraph at the end, C-H. How cool is it that you're getting to know all of these really hard words, boys and girls? You're doing awesome. W-H-I-C-H, witch. You're getting so good at all these words that you're able to write. Nice job. Okay, number 7 is going to be the word think. So T-H-I-N-K. Think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. One more time. Think. Very good. Number 8 is going to be a contraction because we did do some contractions. So this one is can't. So remember that little apostrophe needs to go at the end. So we have C-A-N apostrophe T. C-A-N apostrophe T. Then we're going to do that one more time. C-A-N apostrophe T. Then we have 2 sight words that we're going to do. The first one is when. W-H-E-N. 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 And we'll write it one more time. W-H-E-N. Very good, boys and girls. I'll pause here for a second to let you finish that up. And then we're going to write one more word. This word is after. A-F-T-E-R. After. Well, two more times. A-F-T-E-R. After. Very good. Okay, so we have the front side done. On the back side, we're going to do a little color by code. So we're going to color all of the words that start with a CH red. So if you just want to circle them, that's fine too. You don't really have to color them. So let's look. What starts with ch? How about cheese? And chalk, chair, church, cherry. Very good. Now let's switch to blue, and we're going to color everything that starts with SH blue. So ship, shell, sheep, shark, shovel. Good. Next we're going to do green. Green is WH. So whistle, whale, will, whisk, and wheat. And I realized I think I made a mistake on this one. This is actually a throne. So that's going to be a TH, which is yellow. So all of the TH, thermos, thread, thumb, throne, and thorn. And then we need to color the chair red. Now we're going to take our pencils and we're going to write sentences using the words in the picture. So we could do like, I eat cheese. I eat cheese. I see the shark. I see the shark. And then I want you to come up with 2 more sentences on your own using the words in the picture. You don't have to spell it correctly. I just want you to try, and I want you to watch for finger spaces and to put a period at the end of your sentence.